Have you noticed your engine idling rough, losing power, or showing the dreaded check engine light? Before you spend hundreds of dollars replacing parts, there's something much simpler you should try first. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your EGR valve without removing it. Yes, it's possible, and yes, it works. If your car has been hesitating, idling rough, or giving you that dreaded check engine light, this might just be the fix you need. What is an EGR valve? First things first, what even is an EGR valve? EGR stands for exhaust gas recirculation. It helps reduce emissions by sending some exhaust gases back into the intake to be burned. Again, over time, this valve can get clogged with carbon deposits, which affects engine performance. Signs your EGR valve is dirty. Here are some signs that your valve might be clogged: rough idling, engine knocking or pinging, poor fuel economy. Check engine light with codes like 401 or P2. If that sounds familiar, stick around. We'll walk you through a simple way to clean it without taking it out. Tools and materials you'll need. You don't need a lot for this job. Here's what you'll need: EGR valve or throttle body cleaner, a screwdriver or socket set, a vacuum hose or small tube, safety gloves and goggles, optional scan tool to clear codes. Locate the EGR valve. Every engine is different, but most EGR valves are located near the intake manifold or on the firewall side. Check your manual or look online for your car's specific setup. The cleaning process. Step by step of the process. Now let's get to it. Step 1. Warm up your engine. Start the engine and let it idle for 5-10 minutes. This softens the carbon buildup and helps the cleaner work better. Step 2. Turn off the engine and access the EGR port. Locate the EU intake or vacuum hose that feeds into the valve. Disconnect it gently. Step 3. Spray the cleaner. Insert your straw or hose into the EGR port or vacuum line. Spray the cleaner in short bursts, about 5 seconds at a time. Let it soak for 30 seconds. Then repeat 3-5 times. Step 4. Start the engine. Again, reconnect everything and start the engine. It may run rough for a few seconds. That's normal as it burns off the carbon. Rev the engine lightly to help clear it out. Optional, take a short drive. A quick 10-minute drive can help blow out any remaining debris. Just don't go full throttle right away. After care and tips: after you're redone, you might want to use an OB2 scanner to clear any error codes. If the check engine light comes back, you may need a deeper cleaning or full removal. And that's it. Cleaning your EGR valve without removing it is one of the easiest maintenance jobs you can do to improve engine performance and potentially avoid expensive repairs. If this guide helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive repair videos, and leave a comment below with your vehicle's make, model, and engine if you'd like help diagnosing an EGR problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next